Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download E-Trade for funding after claims. Quick to begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type E-Trade download. Press the enter key to search. Locate the official E-Trade website from the search results. Click on the link to the E-Trade homepage. Once the page has loaded, look for the download section. This is typically found at the top of the page or in a prominent location. Select the option to download the E-Trade app. You may be prompted to choose between desktop or mobile versions. For desktop, click on the Download for Windows or Mac option based on your operating system. If you are using a mobile device, click on the App Store or Google Play Store link. Once redirected, you can download the app directly. If downloading for a desktop, allow the file to fully download. Next, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the E-Trade installation file. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, open the E-Trade application. You will need to log in with your existing account credentials. If you do not have an account, create a new one by selecting the appropriate option. After logging in, locate the funding options in the app. Select the method you wish to use for funding your account. Follow the prompts to link your bank account or deposit funds. Confirm the details and submit your funding request. You will receive a notification once the funding process is complete. Your E-Trade account should now be successfully funded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.